And now shifting focus, ISRO successfully launched the space docking experiment mission along with 24 other experiments aboard the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The PSLV carried two 20-kilogram satellites in a precision launch from Sriharikota yesterday. The spacecraft will attempt docking on January 7, marking a giant leap toward India's ambition to establish its own space station, the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, by 2035. This orbital outpost will feature 5 interconnected modules, with the first set to launch in 2028. SpaDeX aims to demonstrate advanced orbital docking technology, a mission-critical capability for upcoming projects like Chandrayaan-4, which will involve lunar sample retrieval using multiple launches and dockings. This cosmic endeavor also carries cutting-edge experiments, including CROPS, a study of plant growth in orbit, a debris capturing robotic arm, and a satellite servicing arm, all underscoring ISRO's commitment to space sustainability. Now, with SpaDeX, ISRO boldly goes where no Indian mission has gone before, advancing in space operations and charting a course for future interplanetary missions.
I'm really happy to announce the successful accomplishment of the launch of PSLV C-60 for the SpaDeX mission. The rocket has placed the satellites in the right orbit, which is 475 kilometer circular orbit. That's only one part of the mission, injection of the SpaDeX satellites. Now, in another 15 minutes, the fourth stage of PSLV will change its orbit from 475 kilometer to 350 kilometer lower orbit by first phase of firing. And also the second phase of firing will be at about 1 hour 20 minutes later after the liftoff. So that process is continuing to enable POEM operations to happen. Further to that, the spacecraft is also going to wait for the solar panel deployment. So the team spacecraft is looking at whether the panels are deployed or not. So we'll get a confirmation soon. So as far as we are concerned, the mission is very well as far as the rocket is concerned. So it has placed the satellite in the right orbit. The SpaDeX 2 satellites are moved. You would have seen in the animation that they moved little one behind the other. So over the period of time, for the days, it will pick up further distance, travel to almost a 20-kilometer distance away. And then the rendezvous and docking process will start. And we hope that the docking process can happen in another 1 week. The nominal time is going to be approximately 7th of January. So I'm waiting for the panel deployment status. I think you have the status?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I would like to say that the panels of the satellites have been deployed successfully. So congratulations to the entire team of the PSLV project who put the satellite in the right orbit. Also the SpaDeX team who worked a very innovative, novel, cost-effective docking demonstration mission using 2 small satellite bus architecture. So congratulations to them as well. And also to very important parties of this mission is the POEM-4, where we have 24 payloads hosted, which are from the startups, industries, academic institutions, research laboratories, and also from ISRO centers. All the R&D payloads are there waiting for testing in the coming days, in fact in months.